Greetings, my name is the Instructor, and today I'm here to instruct you on how to make a gaming video on YouTube. But to do that, we gotta go to my lab. Welcome to the lab. Now as you can see, I have my crew working in the background because they're making the magic happen. So, first things first, just turn on your computer. Then you're gonna go on your internet browser. Hopefully it's Google Chrome, because if it's not, then you're bad. Then you're gonna need to get a screen recorder. So there's a free screen recorder that comes with Windows 10. So you could use that one if you have Windows 10, but if not, you're gonna have to find a free one, or you're just gonna have to pay for one. So let's just open the screen recorder just to show you how it looks, the Windows 10 one. So that there's like a bar at the bottom right there, that's the screen recorder. Click that button to record. Boom. So the game I'm using for my example is Pac-Man. Once you get your footage, you're gonna need to edit it. The editing software that I usually use is Adobe Premiere Pro. It's the best of the best, but you do have to pay $20 a month for it. So it's kind of a big thing right there. So there are free editing softwares. There's Windows Movie Maker. There's another one called like Blender. So you could use that. I'm not gonna show you how to edit in this, but we'll have a separate video for that. So once you're done, you just click that, go to export, you export your video. Once you do that, you go on YouTube and then you upload the video. And yeah, so all you have to do to upload it is just click that. I'm not signed in, so I have to sign in, but just sign in, you upload the video. Not that hard, you'll get 1 million views. Gaming video, edit it, and yeah, so subscribe to the Instructor and like the video, because if you don't, then the Instructor will